Let me show you how SP Toolkit migrates SharePoint lists, including lookup relationships, in just a few minutes. I'll click Migration Services to start a new migration. First, we choose our migration type. I'm selecting Single Tenant Migration. This is what you'd use when reorganizing sites, consolidating content, or moving lists between team sites. Here are the migration options. These defaults work well for most scenarios. We'll keep the defaults and move on. Now we select our source site. I'm picking our demo site here. You can browse, search, or paste a URL. The toolkit loads the site and confirms your access. Next, the target site. I'll select our empty target site. This is where the lists will be created. Here are all the lists on the source site. I'm selecting 4 lists: demo accounts, contacts, opportunities, and sales activities. The opportunities list has a lookup column that points back to contacts. The toolkit automatically detects the lookup dependency between these lists. See how when I remove the contacts list from the selected lists, the toolkit detects that it should be migrated. Moving on to field mapping. Field mapping lets you control exactly what gets migrated. You can rename fields, exclude fields you don't need, or adjust settings. The defaults map everything one-to-one, which is what we want here. Now the validation step scans all lists for potential issues. It checks field compatibility, lookup targets, and permissions. Everything is showing green. We're good to go. Here's the full summary. This is your last chance to review before executing. You can return to the settings step at any time by clicking the settings link at the bottom of the wizard. Then, in settings, you can click the return link to return to the step you were on. Everything looks correct. Let's move to the last step, execute migration. Our selections are all correct. Let's start the migration. And the migration is running. Watch the real-time progress as it creates the list structures, migrates the items, and wires up the lookup relationships. And it's complete. All 4 of our lists migrated successfully. We can see a summary of the results on screen and generate detailed reports for export. Now, let me show you the result. Here's the demo opportunities list on the target site. All items are here with their original data intact. If we check the target list against the source list, we can see that they are identical. Same data, same relationships, different site. That's the whole point. SP Toolkit. Fast, reliable SharePoint list migration with full lookup support. No desktop install, no PowerShell. Runs right inside SharePoint. Try it free at sharepointtoolkit.com.